I got to ask this question this morning, and it was in the context of watching a YouTube video in Safari. And I decided I'm going to answer this question watching a YouTube video in Safari or in Chrome. Watching a YouTube video in Safari on a MacBook, what keys can I use to control what I'm seeing? And that's in the context of move backwards, move forward, pause, or play a video. And there's actually two sets of keys you can do. The J, K, and L, as well as the space and the left and right arrow. Let's start with the space. If I hit the space bar right now, I'll pause this so I didn't make noise. I can start or pause the video with the space bar. Now, whether the video is playing or not, I can use the left arrow to go back 10 seconds. And you can see over here on the screen, each time I hit the left arrow, let's see it's adding up. And over here, you can see when I hit the right arrow, it's adding up. So left and right arrow will go forward and backwards. And the space bar will pause or start the video. The J, K, and L is the other set of keys you can use. The K pauses or stops the video. Pauses or plays the video. And again, whether the video is playing or not, the J goes back in increments of 10, not 5, and the L goes forward in increments of 10, not 5. So J, K, and L are the keys, or space, left, and right arrow. Now, let's go to Chrome and see if it's the same thing. So I'm in Chrome, and I'm watching the same video. The K, let me stop the audio. The K will start or stop the video. The J will go back in increments of 10. The L will go forward in increments of 10, just like in Safari. And the space bar will start or stop a video. And the right arrow will go forward in increments of 5, and the left arrow goes backwards in increments of 5. All of this is on a Mac or a PC if you're using Chrome. Again, the two sets of keys are J, K, and L, and the space, left, and right arrow. Okay, on my iPhone, let's go into Safari. And here it is right here. And you can see I'm looking at the same YouTube video that I was looking at earlier. And I'm going to turn this phone sideways so that you can see. Now I can see the full video. Now, what are the keystrokes? Well, there are no keystrokes, but what are the clicks? By the way, if I'm looking at the video and I don't see any controls, just tap the video anywhere, just one time, and the control will come back up. And then if the video is playing, the controls will stay on the screen for just a second or so, and they go away, and then touch the screen again brings the controls back up, so you can go forward 10 seconds with that button, go backwards 10 seconds with the other button, and you can pause or play the video by pressing the button in a second. And again, the controls go away after you stop touching the screen for just a second or two. Now, let me turn the phone back over, and I need to come out of Safari. I need to go to Gmail, and in Gmail, I'm going to go to Chrome. And again, I'm looking at the same video. I'm going to turn the phone sideways, and I get a full screen. And by the way, I can even go bigger screen by hitting that little control down here and go full screen. Now I can, again, touch the screen anywhere. And again, if the video is playing, the controls will go away after a second or so. Touch the screen anywhere, and I can go forward 10 seconds, go backwards 10 seconds, and I can hit the button in the middle to pause or play the video. So in summary, on a computer, in this case a Mac, using Safari or Chrome, the J, K, and L will move your control the video. J goes backwards 10 seconds, L goes forward 10 seconds. Each time you touch it, and the K pauses or plays the video. The space bar, left and right arrow, do the same thing, except for the left and right arrow, move in increments of 5 seconds. And on your cell phone, in this case an iPhone with Safari or Chrome, you only get the controls in the middle of the screen when you touch the video gently. You got to go back 10 seconds, go forward 10 seconds, or pause and play the video. Hey, I'm Teddy. I hope this is helpful for you.